What's up, guys? This is your boy Dora Guy, and I'm back here again with another video. So if you already know my content, I do a lot of car videos. I'm starting to get into the computer space, and I'm trying to make a lot of computer content for you guys. So if you are enjoying my computer content, make sure you like it, subscribe, and share with your friends and your family. You know what I mean? That would help the channel out for me to do more content like this. But I do enjoy the computer space because I'm already a software engineer, and I dig into the system administration field of the computer space. So I love that, and building PCs for my own self is like one of the coolest things I could ever do. And today we have a new box here. We're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna walk through with you guys to show you guys everything that you're gonna be seeing me do today. So if you guys do enjoy this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, share the video with your friends and your family. Give me a like, leave a comment below. What do you think about this case? And we're gonna take this case and replace it with the old case, and you guys give me a little review and let me know what you think about it. Evolv X2. This is a new case that just came out in 2025 around January 21st. So it's a brand new case. It's very expensive. And we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna put our quick piece of equipment in there. I want you guys to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the case compared to my original case, and then this case and my previous case. I have 3 cases right now, so whichever one I like the most, I'm gonna keep that one, and we're gonna make that our main computer case. Whichever I don't like, I'm sending it back. You hear me? Huge. It is huge, guys. Very huge. I mean, look at this case. I'm gonna throw some photos of this case, different designs that people have built and stuff like that along the lines, just so you guys can see that. But this case is very huge. I mean, if you're sitting right next to it, your head is almost hidden, and you're not gonna see anything. So usually my case sits this way, on my right side. You know, I'm sitting down in a chair this way, and I'm gaming, or I'm working, or I'm making YouTube videos, I'm editing my videos, buying car parts, all kinds of stuff like that. And wow, it's a tall case. Holy crap. Pounds wise, it weighs 35 pounds from stock. And it's a 360 glass, you know. So there's a glass here, another glass here. It's a very, very tall case. I mean, there's probably like 2 inches from here to here on it. The top pops off real nice, and it has a filter already built into it. This I/O fin right here is where the buttons goes, right? And it has LED strips here, so it looks like you're able to push this LED strips. What else can we look at? All right, guys, so you guys can see this. This case is very tall compared to my other 3 cases I have here. So if you already know, this is the Phanteks case. It's very tall. I've never seen a case like this before, ever. But you know what's something I just realized? They come with these rubber things, I guess, to protect them from the glass touching each other during shipping. This is the smartest thing I've ever seen in my life when it comes to glass-wise. It has glass here, a glass in the front, and a glass on the side. You know, this is my Fractal North original case I had before for my first build, and it's glass on the side, as you guys can see. Front is all wood, and it matched my table a lot more. That's why I loved it. The current case that I'm currently using, which is a Corsair 4000D, which barely fits my GPU. So I'm gonna pop the side. So I'm gonna go right ahead and power this case up for you guys to see all the RGBs I currently have in here. I'm gonna explain the whole specs for you guys before we transfer here. Whew! Look at that lightning in there. Whoa! All right, to pop the case up, it has a bunch of buttons. We're just gonna do a time lapse of everything. Snaps in there. Wow! And it looks seamless. It looks like there was nothing that was taken out, and it definitely fits, but I don't think the back of my screwdriver would fit it. So I'm gonna peel this plastic off. There's more plastic on top here that we need to peel off. So, where's it at? Oh my God. This is great. Some plastic in the front, and then I'm gonna peel all this plastic off. Holy crap. Wow. And then the MSI logo. Wow, this is a perfect build. Like the black and the gray, this gray matches this, the black here matches this. It's metal up here. This is a perfect case to get. If you guys think this is a perfect case for you, your next build, make sure you leave a like in the bottom and then let me know. Now I'm gonna plug in the PSU cable. What you need to make sure is you plug it in. You know, you always check the end of your cables. That's what I always do. I always make sure my cable's all the way plugged in. And then basically you just snap it in. You know, what I do is I kind of push the cables around and make sure it's going in perfectly fine without catching this thing on fire. And oh my God, this does have a sag bracket that comes with it. The Game Trio also has a sag bracket that comes with it alongside it, right? And it could sit right here. So what I could do is I could use this sag bracket, or I could use the sag bracket that is provided with the case, which I think I'm gonna probably use this side bracket and then make the Gaming Trio look phenomenal, you know? So basically the side bracket is what I'm gonna go with. Oh my God, look at this beautiful case. We got the side bracket on there, we got the everything on there. Now the next step is basically make sure all cables are plugged in and then powering the computer on, and oh my God. Holy shit! Yo, do you guys see this case? How do you tell me this is not the best case on earth? All right. You guys can see this beautiful build. Look at that. I'm gonna turn the light up slightly for you guys to see the whole case. And look at that. I'm gonna turn it back down. Look at those RGBs up here, bottom here, on the front of the IO. That's setup. Tell me you do not love this setup, guys. Tell me you do not like this setup.